My name is Linda Nordstrom, and I am the creator of IBX along with my husband, Jim. We created IBX because we listened to women, we listened to nail techs, and they wanted a treatment for damaged nails. IBX is a natural nail strengthening system made to be used under gel polish, regular polish, or just for natural nails. And what it basically does, it makes the nails stronger and more flexible. Unlike so many other products that are on the market, the strength of IBX comes from inside the nail, not on top. The system has two products and two uses. The first one being repair. It repairs the product that's used to repair targeted damage. Then we have IBX, and IBX is the strength of the system. That's the part of the system that actually goes inside the nail and builds strength and flexibility from the inside out. IBX is an ongoing treatment, so every time you use it, your nails are going to get stronger. Some people see results immediately. It all depends on the condition of the natural nail. Most people see results within 1 or 2 treatments, and some of them are astounding. You know, if you see someone that has a nail that's split and peeled, you can see in 1 treatment, we can seal that edge together. If I could sum up this product in a few words, it's a game changer for the nail industry.